Founded in Spain in 1992, SVP Broadcast Microwave is a leading company in design and manufacture of downlink systems. As specialists in audio-visual broadcasting and surveillance sectors, offering solutions adapted to all types of projects. SVP Broadcast Microwave's market is directed towards services such as fire extinction, border and maritime patrols, search and rescue services, military surveillance, Our range of products is specially designed and certified for installation in aircrafts, such as helicopters or light aircraft used in surveillance sectors. SVP always offers the latest up-to-date technology in the market. Among the characteristics that stand out in the range of SVP products are the DVB-T2 modulation, which is integrated in high-powered transmitters, offering a wide range of coverage. Compatible with all types of airborne cameras with KLV metadata embedded and with mission software to monitor on the ground. A security encryption level up to AES 256. All types of portable, handheld or fixed reception systems. Automatic tracking reception systems based on a GPS signal integrated in the receiver. Diversity reception systems, both portable and fixed. Diffusion of video and metadata via IP. SVP will put into your hands specialized engineering which offers optimum solutions to all types of projects.